What's going on, guys? So we're back with a Friday and the week off. Let's end it off with a banger. Um, if you were in this morning's watch list or day trading live, the only thing we got in was Twitter, but we ended up closing at break even. So it was like it was an okay day. I mean, we didn't lose anything, so entered right here, closed right here. So this when I did enter, was up $100. Just these two little candles up $100. Didn't close. Thought we were gonna see a bigger move up to 70. Never happened. So we ended up, closing break even. It's fine. Better than losing money. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Oops, wrong list. Now, all right, here we go. Let's go to the daily. Look for the moves. We're not looking for any swings. So we're just looking for breakouts. Yeah, we'll leave that up there. This one's not ready. We'll mark it to the list when it is ready, but it's not ready, so it's not going on tomorrow's watch list. And 0 days to expiration means like tomorrow's the only day you're betting this stock will hit above the price. And doing that, you can either make a lot of money or you can lose a lot of money. But ZS breaks lower. We'll look for it to hit 209. We'll add that to the list. Beyond, just put it higher. There's nothing really to do today with Beyond. LAC possible, yeah, breakout above this line, so we're just gonna leave it alone. NKLA, we can do possible shorts on this. Probably could go down to 15. I guess I'll add that to the list. Gets below previous candle. It's just trend continuation. We'll add that to the list. JKS, possible shorts on this as well. Breaks below here. We could see a big move down. So add that to the list. Laser, it did fall short, so you can re-enter tomorrow morning. If you missed it, because we did break from the floor, we break under the floor again, we should see another 2% down. Small move, but I mean, that wouldn't be a trade. You would have to do next week's expos on that one. I wouldn't recommend doing 0 days to expiration. Probably lose money just because of theta, but something to look at, you know what I'm saying? CCIV get rejected off the level. CVAC getting bought up still. So as long as we stay over 65 on CVAC, I'm not even worried about it at all. TTD, I'm pretty sure this went up after hours. Oh, I guess not. Okay. Just a little glitch on Robinhood, I guess. So we'll move this over here. Breaks under. We'll look for shorts. You can see there's a gap right here, and usually stocks like to fill the gap. So Zillow, Trip, still looking to short under. We're seeing a lot of consolidation on the bottom. This could be a small move up to about 47 if not, but that's not good enough to play options on, I don't think. So solo break under this level, not a big enough move to short. So we're not going to do it. MVIS broke under the floor, so if it breaks below it again, we'll look to short. Guild breakout possibly breaks over this top level. We'll look for to buy calls. I know I've been iffy about this just because the stock doesn't move that much. This wouldn't be a Friday expiration. This would be a July 16th expo. So Roku break under this level right here. We'll look to short, so could be a 5% move down. Talked about this yesterday, actually, shorting Roku. If you guys were in the live stream. Pinterest, same thing. It still needs a break above. Space is up after hours because some news. So it's usually sell the news. So I mean, I'm gonna add this to the list. I doubt we're gonna. I'm not gonna get an alert for it, but there was news. Depending on the orders that are coming in for space, we're either gonna short it or buy the stock. Let me see. So, you know, it looks like stock's getting bought up. But if we do see a lot of selling pressure, we'll look to short it. 0 days to X-Pro on space would be a very nice trade. So OSTK possibly break back under the trend. We could see a big move down. Um, Not anticipating a move down though, but we could get a small little short play going on OSTK. PLTR, big move down. Getting sold off pretty hard. We're not. So would that be a floor considered? No. No, so we're not going to look for anything on PLTR. If it continues to fall, just continues to fall. That's it. Netflix, possible breakout here. Still got this huge gap to fill. So we'll look for calls tomorrow on Netflix. 0 days to Expo. Those would be some wicked calls if we actually could get it. Big C, possibly. Possibly a big move up. We got a large amounts of consolidation here. So like this would be the bottom if you're wondering. And why isn't this the bottom? Like there's cuz this would be the lowest. This would just be like a floor, you know what I'm saying? But we could see a move down here. I don't know. Big C's a little different. I'm gonna delete everything, re-put these lines in. We don't want to get a fake out either. Lulu, possible short play on this. Under this level. Snow still getting shorted. I doubt we'll see a move under here. This could probably be a Monday play, but I'm just going to add it in. If it breaks below, we can look back for this low level. SE did break below that level, so we're looking for a further move down on SE. Coin also being shorted. Well, we're going to look for this a short here too. Bitcoin's not doing so hot. People thought it was going back up. I thought it was going back up too. Got faked out. So we're gonna look for the move down. Damn, Baba. Really failing here. Could possibly see another move down on Baba. There is a gap here. So we can fill this level on Baba. Trend continuation. And NASDAQ selling off after hours. So I'm just going to put an alert here because if it breaks above, we're going to see big move. But if we do break below, you don't buy calls and puts on the NASDAQ. It's just, I mean, you can, but it's just like not, the implied volatility is not good. Like you won't make as much, so I don't mess with it. T-Mobile, tight squeeze here. Possible shorts on T-Mobile. Low volatility, good to get in early. If you get in early, you could probably make a big move. We're gonna squeeze this probably tight as possible here, so YY still getting shorted. Break this, we can see even more lows on YY. Ooh, waste management breakout. Okay. Let's get as close as we can to this. Yeah, if we just see a new high, except if it jumps pre-market, we're gonna want to get in calls on this. Probably a swing on this one. This would be like July 16th, 142.5 calls if they have those, or the 142s, 143s, whatever they have. Ooh, Facebook. And I recommend, if you are gonna, if you can't follow along in the live stream, like you can't be here, but you want to get the same alerts, just literally put in the same alerts I do and get TradingView Premium. If you do, if you sign up, you get a 30-day free trial. You don't have to pay for anything. But then at the end of the 30 days, if you want to sign up, I usually get the year membership and they give you 60% off. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, by the way. Just saying. It's very helpful. Nike, our Nike 160 calls. I literally think we're gonna clear 160 here, so just keep holding those if you're in them. Oh, Coca-Cola doesn't have options. I gotta get rid of that. It's a good company for shares. So yeah, like I intended, save. It's gonna be the floor, possibly consolidation throughout, and then we can see a move back up. VIPS. This would be, a level right here. You can look to short. Let me see the order flow on this one. Yeah, this is gonna actually end up being a floor. It looks like they're gonna bounce. You can see the pre-market orders, 2,000 shares. That's a lot. So Home Depot, I talked about this yesterday. Talked about swing trading Home Depot. I know we entered at 319. We got I believe 325 calls for no, August 20th. But if you guys want to enter this, you can. Just go for July 16th. 325 calls. Since it did a $2.5 move, um, we'll definitely hit 325 in a few days here. But this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion on it. So, but I believe it's gonna hit 325 here. Earnings. What usually happens on their earnings? They get sold off. Well, when a company gets shorted on earnings, usually it does a trend continuation. So if we can look for a short move here, unless it's already sold off. Walgreens. So yeah, we can see right here 1,000, 3,200 on the bid. If it's on the bid, it's getting shorted. So we're gonna see that getting filled. What's up? No, I'm trying to finish this up. Yeah. No, I'm just making a watch list for tomorrow for my group. Oh, UPS, we missed that. Well, we'll just add that up there. Trend continuation. UWMC did get shorted, like I talked about yesterday. We'll just, trend continuation and keep it moving. Pen. We're not gonna look to short that. Oh, is that it? What just happened? Okay, yeah, we're right around here. I know there's a possible swing on JP Morgan, like it's just gonna consistently go up. Maybe we can look for something long on here. We'll just add that to my swing list. Okay. We're also gonna delete this. VIX. So market looking bullish from the VIX standpoint. Bitcoin looks like it's gonna continue down, so the coin shorts would be a nice move. 0 days to expiration. And we could possibly see Clove continuing down. But other than that, this is the watch list. We got 18 stocks. And we'll just take them off. Leave coin up there. I want it up there. So then we got BABA puts, coin puts. laser puts, MVIS puts, NKLA puts, Roku puts, possible space puts, and WA puts. So I'm looking at all puts tomorrow. Um, but it's only if they break under this line right here, guys. Like, you don't enter if it doesn't. And, you'll know if you're in the live stream, but if you don't, make sure it breaks under these lines. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m. All right, peace out.